Hi and welcome to this week's Ask Charlie. The weather has turned, it's pretty revolting out there, and I thought this week was a good opportunity to chat to you about fires and actually cleaning the glass. So if you haven't already subscribed, please remember to do so and ring the bell to be notified of my weekly videos. So my lovely friend Henny at Nook Cook has shared this tip with me, and we're going to try and clean the glass. But before we get into that, now is a really important time to get your chimney swept. Before you have your first fire of the season, it's really important that you make sure that the flue is clear. So please, please, please do that before you start lighting fires. But anyway, today it's about cleaning. So I have got my gloves at the ready. I have got two cloths, my favourite ones, a damp Spontex and a dry Spontex. And I'm going to open this up. Hopefully I don't get covered in ash. We'll see. A little bit's fallen out, and actually this is going to be a messy job. Anyway, damp cloth into the ash. Get it in there and use the ash. Oh, there's a massive spider. And use the ash. I don't know if you can see. Can you see what I'm doing? And ash actually cleans it, so you don't need any products. You literally just use the ash. So I might need to rinse the cloth and damp it down a few times, but we will see how we go. Again. And I've got my apron on because this potentially is going to be a very messy job, but it really, really does work. I love it when you guys share tips with me and I can share them on to everybody else. Brilliant. So Henny, a big thank you, because this is a genius method. And I'm not scrubbing. It's, yeah, pretty effortless. In fact, I'm going to go and rinse my cloth and I'll be back in a sec. So I've just rinsed my cloth and it was pretty revolting. Go for more ash. This is just incredible. So I'm going to blitz this and then I'll buff it up at the end and show you that bit. So, look, it's pretty good. I'm just going to give it wipes. This is a damp cloth. There are a few tiny little areas that I slightly struggled with, which might need a toothbrush. But this is just incredible. I love the fact that you don't have to use any products, because products are just not great for us or the environment. So if we can find ways, natural ways, it's far better. So look at that. I mean, it's just incredible. It was utterly filthy. I can't actually remember the last time I did it. And now there is absolutely no excuse but to have a sparkling wood burner. So Henny, a massive, massive thank you for sharing that top tip with us. And look, it's gleaming.